In this quick guide, I will show you how to connect Google Analytics to your WordPress.com site. WordPress.com includes Jetpack stats for standard traffic information. But if you're on a higher level plan and want advanced insights like conversions, funnels, and engagement reports, Google Analytics is a great tool. Let's jump straight in. The first step is setting up a Google Analytics account. Visit the Google Analytics website and click the Get Started Today button. If you have an existing account, you can sign in and create a new property under your existing account. I will go ahead and click Get Started Today, and then select Start Measuring. On the Create an Account page, give the account a memorable name, and then review the data sharing options. When you're ready, click the Next button. Google Analytics will automatically prompt you to create a property next. A Google Analytics property is where Google stores and organizes the traffic and behavior data of a specific website or app. Let's go ahead and create one. First, give your property a name. For example, your site's title. Select the relevant time zone and currency, and then click Next. On the Business Details screen, select your industry category and business size, and then we can move on to the next section. Choose your business objectives and then click the Create button. I will then go ahead and accept the Terms of Service agreement. And on the Data Collection screen, select Web as your platform. Below website URL, type your domain without the www, and then add your stream name. This can be your site's title again. And when you are done, click the Create and Continue button in the top right. You will then be requested to set up a Google tag, also known as a measurement ID. You add this tag or ID to your WordPress.com site so that Google Analytics can track your activity. It automatically picked up that I'm using a WordPress site, so then we can go ahead and click Next. Under option 2, copy your tag ID, which we are going to paste into our site. Please note, you do not need to follow the instructions to set up SiteKit. You will use the WordPress.com interface to set up the measurement ID. After copying the measurement ID, the next step is connecting your site. Visit your site's dashboard and then navigate to Jetpack and select Traffic. And then you will see the option to add Google Analytics. But if you have a higher tiered plan, you can make your way to Jetpack, select Settings, and then navigate to Traffic. And then scroll down to the Google Analytics section. Enable Google Analytics, followed by pasting your measurement ID or your tag ID, and then save your settings. Your site will now connect to Google Analytics and send data to Google. It may take 24 to 48 hours for Google to start displaying your site's information. And please note, you will not see statistics from before you connected your site. You've now connected your site to Google Analytics, and these tools give you a clearer picture of how people engage with your site and how you can improve.